The house was silent as Lily creaked into her bedroom, her high heels clicking against the hardwood floor. She had just gotten home from a long day at work, and all she wanted to do was crawl into bed and forget about the stress of her job for a few hours. But as she changed into her pajamas and climbed under the covers, she couldn't shake the feeling that something was off. The room was cold, even though the heater was blasting away. Lily shivered and pulled the blankets tighter around her. She was just about to drift off when she heard a strange noise outside her window. It sounded like someone or something was scratching at the glass. Lily sat up in bed, her heart racing. She peered out into the darkness, but there was nothing there. She must have been imagining things, she told herself. But then, suddenly, a black cat appeared outside her window, clawing its way up the tree that grew outside her house. Lily gasped and reached for the window sash, opening it slowly so as not to let the cat in. She whispered to it softly, "It's okay, little guy. You can go away now." To her surprise, the cat looked back at her with a flickering light in its eyes before it disappeared into the night, leaving Lily feeling uneasy and shaken. She tried to fall asleep again, but she couldn't stop thinking about the strange encounter. She tossed and turned for hours, unable to get comfortable or find any peace. Just when she was starting to doze off, she woke up again with a start, her bladder crying out for relief. As she made her way to the bathroom, she noticed that the cat had left behind a small glowing stone on her bedside table. It seemed to pulse with an otherworldly energy, and Lily couldn't help but feel drawn to it. She picked it up, feeling its strange power coursing through her fingers. When she returned to bed, she found that the cat had left her a small gift, a beautiful hand-carved wooden box with intricate patterns etched into its surface. Inside, there was a note that read, "For the late nighter." Lily smiled and closed her eyes, feeling grateful for the strange encounter and the mysterious gifts that had been left for her. She knew that she would never forget this night, and that it would always be special to her. And as she drifted off to sleep, she felt a sense of peace wash over her, knowing that there was still magic and wonder in the world, even in the most unexpected places. What was Lily feeling when she first got home from work? Lily was feeling stressed after a long day at work. Why did Lily feel uneasy and shaken after seeing the black cat outside her window? Lily felt uneasy because the cat had eyes with flickering lights, which seemed to have an otherworldly energy. What was the small gift that the cat left for Lily? The cat left a beautiful hand-carved wooden box with intricate patterns etched into its surface. What did the note inside the wooden box say? The note inside the wooden box read, "For the late nighter." How did Lily feel after finding the gifts and reading the note? Lily felt grateful for the strange encounter and the mysterious gifts, and she felt a sense of peace wash over her, knowing that there was still magic and wonder in the world.